Hey guys, this is Lauren with How To Beauty, and this is just a little short, you guys. If you've watched my channel, you know that there are places you can go and get little patches that have all kinds of logos on it. What I did was I went to my local little hat store that really has all kinds of different cute little hats. Just like this one, you know I love pink. This is a vegan faux leather hat. You guys, it is so hot, so popular, so in and trendy right now. They had in every color: white, black, beige, brown, caramel, pink. So I decided to turn this designer. I mean, why not? Who is going to know? Basically, the cap is just regular, but you turn it around and look, it is now Prada. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Prada, here we go. It looks so cute on. I don't know if I'm going to mess up my hair if I show you how cute it is on. But yeah, so the hat was $5. You guys, the logo was $1. This hat is now a Prada. Let's get it on right. It is now a proper Prada hat. How cute is that? Obviously, I will not be wearing it with this wig, although it is giving me a little bit of life. But I just wanted to show you what you can do. You can make a $5 hat into a designer dupe hat, and I absolutely love it. Let me get it up close. But how cute is that? So Barbie, so cute, so Prada, but it's not. So you guys, get out there, you do you. Thank you so much for watching. New hat. Have a great day or night wherever you are. Bye.